That's your standard series. It's 1/3 of a horsepower. I hope that's enough. Should be, right? Here's what it looks like inside. But yeah, the first thing I'm gonna do before I just put this on there, right? So here's this little rubber thing that goes in there. You gotta have that. That keeps it from leaking. And then this, you've got to basically slide it on like that. You follows me? We got this little rubber thing in there. Here it is. Stick it in. Make sure you get it in there. All right, then you gotta take this, set it on like that, and then you're gonna put these screws in. Just like that. There's one. And then this one on this side. I'm starting with my fingers, but then I'll get a flathead and screw them in. Like that. There we go. Now I just got to tighten them down with the flathead. You follows me? This is pretty much going to be in that position. You don't want it leaking. Hopefully it won't. Just like that. All right, so you got to pop this out, right? So you need like a screwdriver to do it. And you need it to be sitting down like this to do it. And let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So now we got that on there, but if you look in here, see inside there? There's a little like thing that blocks that. Like if you didn't have a dishwasher, you leave that like it is. You follow me? But if you got a dishwasher, you got to pop that sucker out. And yes, we do have a dishwasher. So I got to pop that baby out of there. You follow me? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in there. Then I'm going to smack it with the hammer. I got to put my foot on the back of this to keep it from moving. And hopefully we can get that out of there. You'd think. Oh man. Does not want to come out. No, I can't get this out. Well, we got a little bit of it. See if we can get the rest of it. Doesn't not want to go out of there. There we go. I think I got it. Okay. Now, what I have to do is reach inside and grab it. Right here. Yeah. Look. I just got to make sure that here, so you can see. You got to make sure that you cleared it. You follow me? You see my finger in there? See my little finger right there? So I can stick my finger all the way through. Just make sure you cleared that completely out of there. And I think there might be another piece. I want to see and make sure there's that chunk of plastic didn't get stuck down in there. Ah, there it is. I see it. This is the tricky part, getting it out. So you got to make sure that you get all that out of there. Okay. So that's what I just got. You see that part right there that busted off? That looks like that's it there. I'm just going to look again to make sure. So I'm looking at all the sides. I see little pieces of plastic, but maybe I can shake them out. Who knows? All right, we'll gotta try it and see if it'll work. This kind of twists a little bit. And you're gonna see that there's these little like hooks here. You see them? There's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. And if I look here, I've got to slide that up on there and then tighten it in. And the way I do that is I put it in here and I twist it to the right, to the right. And that kind of smushes this up in there all the way up and makes it nice and tight. And then and then that seals it. This right here will seal that area right there. Hopefully good. And then we can plug our stuff in. And I got to get these. So I got to slide this part right here. It's got to slide in here. And then I can twist it up. Let me show you. So I'm going to put it in here like this. And I'm going to pull it towards me, and that's going to tighten it on there. And that's what that thing has on it. So let's get it done. Okay, so I'm getting inside of here because I really have to put some pressure on this to get it on there. I'm hoping that I can do it. So I'm going to try to get the side up on there. Let's see if I can do it. Good, I think I did. I think I got it. Holy cow, I got it on the first try. You gotta be kidding me. That's amazing. I'm so happy. Now I'm just gonna tighten it down. Like this. You see that? Now that sucker's on there. And now we can put our other stuff on. Ooh, okay, I'm getting there. I was a little worried about that, but we did get it on, so we're cool. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Let's take a look. I think that's on. This one is on there nice and tight. And this one is on there nice and tight. So I think we got it on there. Right now we just got to put these things back on and tighten them down, and that's it. Plug it in and Bob should be your uncle. Back here's where we plug it. We'll see. Okay, now got to get this, right? First I'm going to put this on there like that, right? Got that on there. I'm going to smush this on for now. I'm not going to tighten it because we may need to move it a little bit. So this has got to go on here, right here, right? The thing is that maybe I'll bring this all the way up here, right? And then we'll just push this way. So close. As you can see, we do have a situation there. I need these to be right even with each other, and they're not. See this, will this turn? Oh no, I'm fine. I'm good. Yeah, this turns. All right, so let's put that on there. Or we're not gonna screw it down yet. And then this, we just gotta get it kind of even here, right? And then we gotta put this up on here, and then this underneath it. There, and then this goes down on top of both of them. Like that. You follow me? That should work, right? Then I'm gonna just tighten her down. Just get her tight. Don't want the water flowing all over the place. That should be good. Now I've got to get these tightened on here, right? So this is the bottom one. Here. Just put another screw on here. Another tighten. All right, so we're on there, we're on here, everything's good. Now we just got to plug this in. And we're going to put it right in this back socket. Okay, now it should be good, right? Now we just got to see if it works, if it leaks. I'm hoping it doesn't. Let's go ahead and turn on some water. We got the water running. And then let's take a look, see if we have any leaks. I don't think we've got any leaks. Now all we got to do is turn it on, see if it works. Here we go. You ready? That's it. And it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out all my other videos on stuff like that. Peace out.